marks Basaveshwara's prodigious, his birthday. If practice makes perfect, then we can vouch today's program is going to be a great success.
On behalf of Basava Samiti of Australasia Melbourne chapter, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to today's Basava Jayanti celebration. As you may know, our distinguished Swamiji and visitors from India are unfortunately not with us today because of some delays with the issues of the visas. As many of you know, the main objective of Basava Samiti of Australasia is an open for all association, and the objectives are to preserve, protect and perpetuate the great dedicated work and value which Jagat Jyoti Basaveshwara and many Shivashanas gave us a wonderful gift to the mankind. It is very important for us to continue to strengthen this and educate our children and future generation so that they will find an identity through Vachana Sahitya and values as they grow up in Australia. Today's function is a good example of our activities contributing towards fulfilling this cause. Our chapter was established in 1999 and we have celebrated Basava Jayanti as a major event every year, and this year is no exception. Since our inception, we have come a long way. Now we have a well-organized and successful association, striving to perform our objectives, and you are all part of it. We are very proud of our achievements. I am sure our activities that we have today is a testimony to it. Behind all this is the hard work that has been contributed by the team of dedicated and motivated members, and we are grateful to them all.
It's my privilege welcoming you all to the celebration of 16th Basava Jayanti in Melbourne on behalf of our executive committee. of Melbourne chapter. A warm welcome to our dignitaries, Sri Mahadev Prasad, Sri Nagaprasanna, Sri Anveka, Sri Mali Patil, and Sri Prashant Rade. A guru is an enlightened preceptor who can eradicate darkness and brings about the right wisdom in the journey of life. The word guru is derived from Sanskrit, and the first syllable, the gu, it means darkness, referring to the spiritual ignorance, and syllable ru represents the spiritual knowledge that eradicates the ignorance. In Lingayatism, the spiritual guru is the first of 8 shields of Ashtavarnas, from whose light we all seek to enhance our vision with.
ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಜಿಲೆಂಡಿಂದ ಈಗ ವಾರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೆಲ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವ ಜಯಂತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಸವ ಜಯಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬಸವ ಸಮಿತಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 2008 ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಲ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೆಲ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ
we were few of lucky ones who were able to make it to the convention for New Zealand chapter. On behalf of every one of us who went there, I can really say we had a great time. We had a great welcome. We were heartily welcome, and we feel the same connection as well. And we look forward to having the CDs sent by you and listening to them. And hopefully one day we'll create our own CD and pass it on to you as well. Before I get into the report of what we have been doing for this past year, there are a few questions that have been raised which I would like to take the opportunity to answer. The questions have come from either elders or they have come from children. What is the reason to have Basa Samiti in Australia? What is so special about Baswanna or the other Sharanas? Why should we follow them in this century? When all the vachanas and philosophies were written by them in the 12th century, which is almost 800 years back, what relevance does it have in this current century? This is a question that is posed by many people within our community and outside the community as well. I'm hoping I'm able to address few or give a bit of an insight, because it is such a wide topic that I cannot do a justice in a span of few minutes, because the depth of Baswanna and Sharana's philosophies is as deep as the ocean. So there is no way that we can get to the depth of it. Just to explain in few words, Baswanna was also known as Basveshwara, born in around 134. He was an Indian philosopher, a statesman, and a social reformer. He originated from Karnataka. When I say that he was a social reformer from Karnataka, I think I'm not making justice to it. I should be saying that he is a social reformer for the global world. He fought against the practice of caste system, which discriminated against people based on their birth, and other rituals in Hinduism. He spread social awareness through his poetry, popularly known as vachanas. Vachanas are nothing but sayings or their thoughts that they have put in a form of, given it a bit of a poetic sense to it, but it is more, in simple terms, it is how to lead the life. The reason Baswanna and his Sharanas became well renowned and still remain to be looked upon even in this century is because they did not advocate or propagate anything in regards to religion. They did not say, let us follow this particular religion or that particular religion. all they spoke about is how one can lead one's life for themselves, for their betterment, and for the community overall. Basavanna, along with his Sharnas, removed the misgivings, incorrect thoughts and ways of life that were focused on caste system, discrimination, corruption, bad feeling, hoarding of health, thought of power. Some of the basic things that Basavanna has preached is have faith in the creator of this universe. Believe that he is the omnipresent and supreme power. Earn wealth through honest and truthful work. Consume according to your requirements and contribute rest to the society through the form of dasoha. Live morally. Do not aspire for others' wealth, women or God. Never breach anybody's trust. Never lose heart while pursuing the path of trust. Live a principled life. Work with the feeling that there is none lower than me, there is none greater than the society of Saranas. Since the 12th century, world leaders have taken note of the movement created by Basavanna and their Sharnas. His vachanas and philosophies were so strong that rulers have tried to eradicate them by burning the vachanas and the sahityas. They have killed the Sharnas. However, what is good always prevails, and we are lucky that through the efforts of a lot of Sharanas, we were able to save some of the vachanas which we are able to understand and hopefully adopt in our lives. When I say the world leaders, some of the recent examples who have taken Basavanna and his Sharanas' philosophies to heart and who have tried to implement in the society are Mahatma Gandhi, where in 1924 he spoke at the Belgaum session of the Indian National Congress. He stated, "It has not been possible for me to practice all the precepts of Basveshwara which he taught 800 years ago and which he also practiced. Eradication of untouchability and dignity of labor were among his core precepts. One does not find even shades of casteism in him. Had he lived during our times, he would have been a saint worthy of worship." This is coming from Mahatma Gandhi, who was one of the world leaders that even today we look upon. Now this I'm talking about a world leader in India. Does it stop there? No. In that era, he wrote vachanas that were eradicated, which were burned, few were remaining. However, it traveled across the ocean. In 21st January 2013, the Honourable Speaker of the British Parliament, retired Honourable John Bercow, stated in the Westminster Hall, "It's amazing and extraordinary that Basveshwara professed, campaigned and advocated genuine democracy, human rights, gender equality way back in the 11th century, even before anyone in the United Kingdom had even thought about it." So there are a lot of examples that we can talk about, there are a lot of quotes from world leaders, but in pretext of this function today, I think those two are good enough. There are some of the anecdotes. In short, all I can say that Basavanna and other Sharanas have given us a treasure that is in real sense our real inheritance, that we can pass on to our future generation with pride, as it is philosophies adaptable to our day-to-day life, today and into the future. Basavanna's vachanas, the Sharana's vachanas are nothing but the management principles of life, how to conduct ourselves. When we spend, if we are able to adopt the vachanas and philosophies through the vachanas, there is nothing more to it. These vachanas are available through your parents, in the society, everywhere that you look upon. You don't have to spend $55,000-$70,000 to get your management, because Basavanna's vachanas is nothing but management studies. It encompasses everything. All we need to do is understand and adopt, and through Basa Samiti we are trying to learn, understand and adopt the real philosophies of life. I hope I was able to answer some of the questions posed by the children, and hopefully we continue on that path, because questions are the one that can help us to continue following the vachanas and understanding them in depth. If I have to reflect on what we have done as a Basava Samiti for 2014-2015, in July is when we had the election process, as every year, and we elected the following committee. Shri Praveen Patil as the Vice President, Shri Nagaraj Dandigi as the Secretary, Shri Manji Kampli as the Treasurer, and the Executive Committee members, Sharda Prasad, Shri Malan Goda Patil, Srimati Jaya Pawar, Shri Prakash Bankar, Srimati Uma Mali Patil, Srimati Rupa Toplit, Shri Gangadhar Valimkoppa, Shri Tamanna Patil, Shri Prakash Toplit, Shri Shivkumar Ambadgatti, and Shri Karbasaiya Kudri Helmet. I would like to request you all to give a big hand, because without them, we wouldn't have been able to achieve all the functions that we have. When we look at the number of members, yes, we are 15 members, but we have all worked as one. We understood and adopted and spread Sharna philosophies amongst ourselves and to the wider community when and where possible. The programs that we undertook for the months of July, August, September, October, February and March, we conducted Sharna Sangama at the Frigon Hall. Frigon Hall is booked for Basava Samiti to hold Mahamane on a monthly basis. During our Sharna Sangama, we start the program with Samohika Prathana, Bhajane, the pledge, Shri Guru Baswana Stuti, Mangal Gita, Mangal Ghosha and Jai Ghosha. By starting our Sharna Sangama through the Pratne, we find that we are able to undertake meditation to some extent, and through this process feel calm, relaxed and content. The committee also takes this opportunity to celebrate our members and children's birthdays and major events in their life. We also acknowledge any achievements achieved by the members. Our children look forward at celebrating their birthdays and achievements with their friends. Along with the Gyan Dasoha, we also conclude our function by relishing Prasad Dasoha and sharing and interacting with one another. As a snapshot of Sharna Sangama, we have understood various Sharna Vachanas and thoughts by discussing in detail as to what the Sharnas meant by discussing it in detail. This has enabled us not to come across Vachanas that we were not aware of, however, has also allowed us to understand how these Vachanas are a guidebook for us to lead our lives in a meaningful manner. Through these Vachanas, we have understood the beauty of communication, beauty of relationship with each other, beauty of managing stress and anger and various things. There are endless things that we have come across which we never realized unless you get into the depth of understanding the Vachanas. There is a difference when you read the Vachana translated into English. It has a different perception. It has a different flavor and essence when you read it in Kannada and try to understand in Kannada. Along with this, we also discuss and try to understand the 8 stages of Ashtavarna and 5 codes of conduct. The Panchachara. Ashtavarna is more about refining one's thoughts and actions to use the body and mind in the spiritual pursuit. Whereas Panchachara is a code of conduct which helps an aspirant to lead a life as a productive member of the society while continuing his spiritual pursuit. During one of the Sharna Sangamas, we also had Rituraj Patil discuss his thoughts and understanding of the Sharna Vachanas. He is a young boy, a future carrier of the philosophies, and it was really good and pleasing to listen to his understanding and his perception of the Vachanas that he had come across. In the month of November, we celebrated Diwali program. Basava Samiti of Melbourne chapter believes that Sharnas gave importance to each and every aspect of life form, and taking that as a learning, we got together as one Basava family to celebrate Diwali. The understanding that we took upon was follow the rights of life, overcome wrongs of life, follow the truth and condemn the false, follow a life of simplicity, generosity and community sharing life. Baswana never spoke of religion as such, but of course, that is one of the modes he might have used to spread the tattva. Therefore, we see that Baswana never spoke about a religion as such and never advocated one religion to another. However, he spoke more about the characteristics, attributes and personality of an individual on our own life and our social life in the society. As the years pass, we find that the Diwali function, organized by Basa Samiti, is gaining its popularity as it provides a platform to all members to come along and celebrate the good and happiness with one another. For this year, we had approximately 150 members attending. We believe that the Diwali function was a successful social event with cultural activities and delicious food cooked by our Basa Samiti members. Basa Samiti undertakes an annual picnic in the month of December. So for this year, on 25th of December, thanks to V-Line, we traveled approximately 50 to 65 members. Altogether, we traveled from Melbourne to Tarragon for a picnic. V-Line, the sponsorship of V-Line in this regard helps us to have this annual event where members travel through one mode of transport. So what I mean by that is we all get together in the train. So it's not that everybody is in their own car and having their own time. We spend the whole day together. And that is the beauty of it. What we note is for this picnic, it's not only the elders, but even the children enjoy the program. They enjoy to play various games on the train, such as Antakshari, Damsharad, singing, trivia questions, etc. Overall, an event enjoyed by one and all. Henceforth, we hope that Victorian government continues in providing us this opportunity to explore the different parts of Victoria along with the family and friends. This year, we made a slight change. Every year we used to take part in Australia Day Parade on 26th of January. This year we had a slight change, especially coming from suggestions and recommendations made by members that we should have something that is during the holiday period where we can have a sports day or something. So this year on 25th of January at Chelsea Bicentennial Park, we organized a sports day. We had almost around 55 to 60 members coming along for the function. The highlight was that we had more children than adults, and we think that we achieved one of our goals to get children involved in Basa Samiti. We enjoy playing cricket, and it seems Lagori is becoming a traditional game in Basa Samiti because everybody loves it. Children, adults, women, men, everybody loves it. It's just fun games. I never realized, even at this age when we have not been playing Lagori for a long time, we can still be very competitive. We try to win in all aspects. For the past 15 years, we have been celebrating Basa Jayanti, and for almost 13 years of that, we have been honored to have Swamiji from different matas from India coming to Australia to share their learnings and educate and clarify our thoughts of the vachanas and how they are related to our day-to-day lives. However, due to immigration fine rules and procedures, we have been unsuccessful in welcoming Swamiji this year. However, I can vouch and state that all options were undertaken to get the visa processed. Members across Australia and India have been working in this regard since December. And we are thankful to each one of them for trying their utmost best to get the Swamiji here.
showed an exemplary efficiency at organizing and conducting Mahamane and Anubhava Mantapa. Basava Priya Chena Sangaya can make a mountain or misdeed disappear with a flick of a finger.
She learned charity from her childhood. She helped poor and needy. Her mother-in-law used to trouble about, but she never stopped praying to Lord Shiva, even when they used to send her to herd the cows.
She was born rich, however, she had an empathy for the poor and supported and helped them.
ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಪಂಚಮ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿಗಿವು ಪದನಿಸ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪಗಳು ಮಾತೃಮನದ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾನ ಗುಡಿಯ ತುಂಬ ರಿಗಮ ಸುಗಮದ ಪಮಗರಿಗಮ ಪದ ಪಮಗಮನನು ಪಂಚಮ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿಗಿವು ಪದನಿಸ ಪರಿಮಳ ಪುಷ್ಪಗಳು ಮಾತೃಮನದ ನಿನ್ನ ಗಾನ ಗುಡಿಯ ತುಂಬ ರಿಗಮ ಸುಗಮದ ಪಮಗರಿಗಮ ಪದ ಪಮಗಮನನು ಸ್ವರ ಋಷಿ ಕಲೆಗಳ ಕಡಲೆ ಅಂಧರ ಬದುಕಿನ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಮುಗಿಲೆ ಗಾನಯೋಗಿ ಗುರುವೇ ದೀನ ಕಲ್ಪ ತರುವೆ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತ ನಿನಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತ ನಿನಗೆ ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಪಂಡಿತ ಪಾಮರ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಸೇತುವೆ ಪದದಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಜಂಗಮನೆ ದಾನ ಕೇಳುವ ಗಾನ ನೀಡುವ ಆನಗಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಸುತ ಸರಿಗಮಗಳ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿ ಪಂಡಿತ ಪಾಮರ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಸೇತುವೆ ಪದದಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಜಂಗಮನೆ ದಾನ ಕೇಳುವ ಗಾನ ನೀಡುವ ಆನಗಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಸುತ ಸರಿಗಮಗಳ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಬಣ್ಣವನರಿಯೇ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಸಿರಿಯೇ ಗಾನಯೋಗಿ ಗುರುವೇ ದೀನ ಕಲ್ಪ ತರುವೆ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತ ನಿನಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರಭಾತ ನಿನಗೆ ಸರಿಗಮ ಪದನಿ ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು ಸಾವಿರದ ಶರಣು.
Shri Mahadev Prasad is living in Brisbane for past 8 years. He has completed schooling in India from Siddhamalleshwara Viraktamat Chamarajnagar. He has also completed BTech from Queensland Uni. He has been practicing Ishtalinga Yoga for the past 20 years. He started to understand Basava philosophy and went deep into Basava Tattva during his schooling in Chamarajnagar. Presently, he is teaching Ishtalinga Yoga for those who are interested through an organization called Path of Basavanna. He has abundant wealth of knowledge on Basava Tattva, and now I welcome Shri Madhava Prasad on stage to enrich our mind. Thank you.
ವಿಶ್ವಗುರು ಜಗಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಂಡಾರಿ ಮಹಾಕಾರಣಿಕ ತಂದೆ ಬಸವ ಪ್ರಭುವನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಸವಾದಿ ಶರಣ ಶರಣೆಯರನ್ನು ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರಿಗೂ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಶರಣರೇ ತಾಯಿಂದರೇ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಂತರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗೋಚರವಾದಂತಹ ಅದಮ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾನ್ ಚೇತನವಿದೆ. ಆ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಬಸವ ಮೆಲ್ಬೋರ್ನ್ ಬಸವ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಸವ ತಂದೆಯ 881ನೆಯ ಬಸವ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಹರ್ಷದಾಯಕ ಸಂತೋಷದಾಯಕವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಷಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಅಥಣಿ ಶಿವಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಅವರು ಬಸವ ತತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಂಥವರು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಮಠ ಬಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಠ. ಅಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಹ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮರ ಒಂದು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬೇಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ 2 ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸದುಪಯೋಗಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧಕ. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕರು ತುಂಬ ಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
May we invite Sri Jaya Birdar, who will share the thoughts of Basavana Vachana through the song Tanu Karaga Davaralli. This song is a melody by T.G. Lingappa based on Raga Puriya Danisari and a well-known and loved song that's often heard on radio programs. Can you please give a round of applause?
I want to dedicate this to my father. He was a great follower of Basavana and Akkamadevi and everyone like this one. So actually I've been brought up by listening to these vachanas and all, and my father always used to, for each and every situation, he used to say some vachanas and like make us understand all those things. So I want to take the opportunity and dedicate this song to him now, because he's no more with us. I miss him a lot. So I'm singing a song Tanu Karaga Davaralli. Tanu Karaga Davaralli Pushpavanolli Yeyya Neenu Mana Karaga Davaralli Gandhakshathiyanolleya Neenu Tanu Karaga Davaralli Pushpavanolli Yeyya Neenu.
Next, let us introduce Prakash Toplet for the Vachana Aya Ninu Nirakara. This song is a medley of 4 different vachanas.
ಅಯ್ಯ ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಭಾವವ ತಂದಾನೆಂದು ಜಂಗಮ ಲಂಚನವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಭಕ್ತನೆಂಬ ವಾಹನವಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಕಾಣ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವಾ ನೆರೆ ಕೆನ್ನೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಶರೀರಗೂಡು ಹೋಗದ ಮುನ್ನ ಹಲ್ಲು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಂಗಾಗದ ಮುನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈಯ ನೂರಿ ಕೋಲು ಹಿಡಿಯದ ಮುನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈಯ ನೂರಿ ಕೋಲು ಹಿಡಿಯದ ಮುನ್ನ ಮುಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಒಳಿಯದ ಮುನ್ನ ಮೃತ್ಯು ಮುಟ್ಟದ ಮುನ್ನ ಮುಪ್ಪಿಂದ ಒಳಿಯದ ಮುನ್ನ ಮೃತ್ಯು ಮುಟ್ಟದ ಮುನ್ನ.
Now once again we have a great pleasure in welcoming Miss Amruta Nandi to sing Kogile Chaluva Kogile.
ಧನದ
Now may we welcome Sikshana Samalat, who is singing Tande Ninu Tayane.
ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರಗೆ 21 ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.
First of all, what is BAMSEF? Well, BAMSEF is an abbreviation for Backward and Minority Communities Employees Federation. The objective of this organization is to establish and preserve a new social system based on humanity and principles of equality, liberty and justice. I will now hand it over to Mr. Prashant.
महात्मा ज्योतिराव फुले जी और डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी, इनका हम कॉमन बर्थ एनिवर्सरी लेने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए भी हम लोग आपको आमंत्रित करते हैं। और जब भी हमने ये कार्यक्रम किए तो बसवंत कम्युनिटी के जो कोर मेंबर है, प्रेसिडेंट है, उन्होंने वो कार्यक्रम हमारे अटेंड किए हैं, इसलिए उनको इस बारे में अच्छी तरह से जानकारी है। समय काफ़ी हो गया है, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं रखूँगा। सिर्फ 5 मिनट में हमारा जो मैसेज है या हमारा जो काम है, इसके बारे में आप लोगों को मैसेज देके जल्दी से जल्दी हम समाप्त करूँगा। साथियों, लिंगायत धर्म महात्मा बसवन्ना जी, ये जो आंदोलन है ये सोशल रिवॉल्यूशन है। एक होता है सोशल रिवॉल्यूशन और एक होता है रिवॉल्यूशन के विरोध में, उसको कहते हैं एंटी रिवॉल्यूशन। न्यूटन का जो थर्ड लॉ है, व्हेनेवर देयर इज एक्शन देयर इज रिएक्शन। तो बसवन्ना जी जो है वो इक्वलिटी के लिए उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी दांव पर लगाई, क्योंकि इनइक्वलिटी थी। इनइक्वलिटी थी, इसलिए उन्होंने इक्वलिटी का आंदोलन चलाया और बसवन्ना जी को सफलता मिली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिंगायत रिलीजन। और बसवन्ना ने जो रिवॉल्यूशन किया, जिसके आप लोग बेनिफिशियरी हो, जिनके वचन साहित्य को आप लोग दिलोजान से मानते हो, उनके वचन साहित्य को आप लोग प्रैक्टिस में लाते हो, इसलिए 800 साल भी हम लोग आप लोग बसवन्ना जी को भूले नहीं। मगर आप अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं बसवन्ना जी ने जो काम किया उसके विरोध में फिर से एंटी रिवॉल्यूशन हुई। जो एंटी रिवॉल्यूशन हुई उसके बारे में हमारे लोगों के पास ज्यादा जानकारी नहीं है, मगर वर्तमान भारत में आधुनिक युग में बसवन्ना जी का जो रोल है फॉर इक्वलिटी, फॉर ब्रदरहुड, फॉर जस्टिस, फॉर फ्रीडम, और लिंगायत रिलीजन का जो सेंटर है वो ह्यूमैनिटी, जो साइंटिफिक रिलीजन है, उसको फिर से एस्टैब्लिश करने के लिए डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर जी ने आधुनिक युग में अभियान चलाया और उनको वो सफलता मिली। बसवन्ना जी ने रिवॉल्यूशन किया, उन लोगों ने एंटी रिवॉल्यूशन किया। वो लोग कौन है? वो लोग हैं जो वेद, शास्त्र, पुराण इनको मान्यता देने वाले लोग हैं, उनका प्रसार प्रचार करने वाले लोग हैं, यज्ञ, होम, हवन, इन बातों का प्रसार प्रचार करने वाले लोग हैं। वो आज भी मौजूद है, भारत में ही नहीं, वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी मौजूद है। इसलिए हम लोगों के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेवारी है, क्योंकि आप अगर बसवन्ना जी ने जो रिवॉल्यूशन किया उसकी क्रांति की अगर आप पूजा करते रहेंगे तो ये अप्रासंगिक है, ये गलत नहीं है, ये अप्रासंगिक है। हमारे बच्चों के लिए जो कल्चर आप लोग जो एस्टैब्लिश कर रहे हैं उसके लिए बिल्कुल रिलेवेंट है, मगर बसवन्ना जी का जो एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव है, जो उनको हासिल करना था, जिसकी जिम्मेवारी हमारे ऊपर है, उसके लिए हम अप्रासंगिक है। आपको मैं सबूत बताता हूं, जिस भारत देश में बसवन्ना जैसे महान भूमिपुत्र पैदा हुए, जिस भारत देश में गौतम बुद्ध जैसे महान भूमिपुत्र पैदा हुए, जिस भारत देश में डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जैसे महान भूमिपुत्र पैदा हुए, जिनको वर्ल्ड जानता है, ये कोई मामूली पर्सनालिटी नहीं है, ये बहुत बड़ी यूनिवर्सल वर्ल्ड लेवल की पर्सनालिटीज है। आज भी वो देश की, वो समाज की क्या हालत है शायद आप लोगों को पता नहीं होगा। मैं आप लोगों को कुछ आंकड़े बताना चाहूंगा। भारत देश में 83 करोड़ लोग हैं जिनका इनकम जो है वो 20 रुपीज पर डे, इससे कम है। 26 करोड़ लोगों का इनकम है 9 रुपीज पर डे। 27 करोड़ लोगों का इनकम है 11 रुपीज पर डे। और बाकी के जो 29 करोड़ लोग हैं उनका इनकम है 20 रुपीज पर डे। क्योंकि जिन लोगों ने लिंगायत धर्म के विरोध में प्रतिक्रांति की, एंटी रिवोल्यूशन किया, जिन लोगों ने भारत का जो संविधान है उसके विरोध में एंटी रिवोल्यूशन चालू है, बसवन्ना जी का जो वचन साहित्य है वो आपको भारत के संविधान में मिलेगा। वचन साहित्य इज इन प्रैक्टिस इन वाया इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। इसलिए जो बसवन्ना जी को जो मानने वाले लोग हैं, जानने वाले लोग हैं, मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ कि ये बहुत साइंटिफिक रिलीजन है। आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, आप लोग मानवता को मानने वाले हैं, मगर आज ना हमारे साथ बसवन्ना जी है फिजिकली, ना हमारे साथ डॉक्टर अंबेडकर है फिजिकली। अब कौन लड़ाई लड़ेगा? ये कौन लड़ाई लड़ेगा? 6000 जातियां आज भी भारत में मौजूद है। हम कहते हैं बसवन्ना जी ने कास्टिज्म खत्म किया था, फिर से आया। ये कास्टिज्म हम कैसे खत्म करें इंडिया में? आप लोग ये जो लोग हैं इनका मैं उदाहरण है। ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी हम लोगों को लिंगायत धर्म की प्रसार प्रचार करने की क्यों जरूरत है? आप लोग यहाँ से लगभग यहाँ पर 10, 15, 20 साल से रह रहे हैं। शायद आपने सुना होगा 2007 या 8 में मेलबर्न शहर पर एक टेरर अटैक होने वाला था। ये न्यूज ऑल ओवर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी, जो आतंकवादियों ने धमकी दी थी। तो यहाँ पर जो वो रिलीजन की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, उन लोगों ने गवर्नमेंट को कहा कि आप लोग होम हवन करो, यज्ञ करो। आप लोग अगर यज्ञ करते हो तो शायद ये अटैक रुक जाएगा। और ये जो न्यूज है, ये चर्चा पूरे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हुई, और जहां पर मेरे कंपनीज के कलीग्स है वो मेरे पास आकर हंस रहे थे कि आप इंडियन लोगों का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इज दिस स्टूपिडिटी? अभी जो क्रिकेट का मैच जो हुआ सिडनी में, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ जब खेल रही थी तो इंडिया जीते, इसलिए एक इंडियन ने उसकी जो टंग है वो कट कर दी। ये साउथ इंडिया में एक अंधश्रद्धा है। ये न्यूज 7 न्यूज पर थी। तो ये इनकी जो नालायक संस्कृति है, इस वजह से हम लोग बदनाम हो रहे हैं। और हमारी जो संस्कृति है उसका हम लोग प्रसार प्रचार कर रहे हैं क्या? हम बाकी के लोगों के पास जा रहे हैं क्या? लिंगायत रिलीजन को हम प्रोपेगेट कर रहे हैं क्या? तो इस बारे में आप लोग सोचेंगे। मैं लगभग 9 साल से लिंगायत कम्युनिटी में आ रहा हूँ। सभी अच्छे लोग हमारे साथ में हैं, टच में हैं। तो इसके बारे में आप लोग सोचेंगे। इतना ही मैं बसवन्ना जयंती के ऊपर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। और भविष्य में जो हमारे समाज में जो बहुत घटिया सलूक किया जा रहा है, भारत में 1 करोड़ लोग हैं ऐसे जो विकलांग है, जिनको आंख नहीं है, जिनको हाथ नहीं है, जिनको पाँव नहीं है। ये बातें मीडिया बताता नहीं है। मीडिया तो आप लोगों को, हम लोगों को बताता है कि भारत बहुत डेवलप हो गया, चांद पर तो हम जाके आए और अभी हम मंगल पर भी गए। ये बातें बताता है कि हम लोग बहुत डेवलप हो गए, बहुत डेवलप हो गए। तो साथियों, आज भी भारत के मोर देन 50% लोग जो है वो आज भी इलिटरेट है। 365 डेज होते हैं साल में 365 डेज होते हैं, उसमें 13,000 जगहों पर रेप होते हैं, बलात्कार होते हैं। ये कौन से लोग हैं जिन लोगों के लिए बसवन्ना जी ने काम किया? ये वही लोग हैं, तुम्हारे हमारे समाज के लोग हैं। इसके लिए आज भी बसवन्ना जी का आंदोलन जो है वो प्रासंगिक है। हम लोगों को साथ मिलकर काम करना है, इसलिए हम लोग आपके पास आते हैं। हम आपका साथ सहयोग देंगे, आप हमारा अपने लेवल पर साथ सहयोग देंगे। इस आशा और विश्वास के साथ मैं मेरी बात समाप्त करता हूँ। आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया, इसलिए आभार और धन्यवाद।
Now let us invite Sri Umesh Sadashivaya to mesmerize us with his melodious and enchanting voice to sing Lingashtakam. Also for all the kids out there to lead Brahma Murari Surajita Lingam.
देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गं दिगकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं फणिपतिवेष्टितक्षोभितलिङ्गम् दक्षसुयज्ञविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहार सुशोभितलिङ्गम्.
Next, could we please invite Sri Mali Patil, Sri Sadhanand Anvekar to the stage to distribute the awards and certificates for the participants of the cultural events. Could we also request Jaya Power to the stage, please?
First of all, Amrutanandi. Ashutosh Daddi. Amrutanandi. Ashutosh Daddi. Rohit Topler. Anisha Kore. Ashwika. Ashwika. Now I would like to invite children who have completed VCE successfully this year. Roshni Topler. Roshni Topler. Ashankita Shankar. Sannidhi Bangalore. Sannidhi. Is Sannidhi's parents are there in the audience? Sanjana's Sanlal, sorry. Now I would like to invite neighbors who have contributed for the cultural program today and also as chief guests. Srimati Sunita Banka. Srimati Jaya Birada. Sri Umesh Sadashivaya. Shri Mahadev Prasad, Shri Prashant Rale, Shri Naga Prasanna. Thank you.
We now request Dr. Mali Patil for some surprise news.
Well, as green pastures, United States, and we can't let them go without us saying a few words about their contribution. And we are very sad to see them leaving us, a small family, the Baswar family, and we have privilege to have them with us, associated with the Baswar Samiti for many years, since the inception, and Chandra was past president, and Sunita, as you know, is the current president. And so they have contributed immensely to the development of the Baswar Samiti as we are today. And they've been very interactive and very good leaders, and I've been associated with them closely for many years, and myself and Uma, and we know them as family members, and of course all of you also know very well, and so it's just to say them how grateful we are for their contribution to us, our community, and we're pretty sure, being so active, they will keep going in the new environment, and we wish them and the children all the best, and I want you to join me in thanking them and saying goodbye. Thank you. Now we have a small token of our appreciation for their contribution to us for all these years. We have a bouquet of flowers. We will present to them. Sunita. So we wish them all the best, and the family, the children, the new school, new environment, and we hope to hear from them all the time. And please keep in touch with us, and no doubt we'll see you again here. And never know, you may change your mind, or we'll come and see you sometime. And please keep in touch, and we appreciate your contribution, and we miss you very much. Thank you.
I know we all are waiting for the yummy dinner, but on the same note, immense thanks from both of us and our family, because you are our family. You have never made us miss anybody. Like, we feel we are within the family all the time. We have never felt depressed saying, oh, I don't have anybody here. Anything we need, you guys have always been there. Still remember the day when we had gone to Umesh Kotur's house and we started discussing about Baswar Samiti. That time Baswar Samiti was in Sydney. We had not yet started in Melbourne chapter. It was over a cup of tea that Baswar Samiti Melbourne chapter was initiated. Still remember Sri Malipat's dad was here, and we were so very lucky to have him give us the support and commence and inaugurate and start the Baswar Samiti here. It has been a great pleasure being part of it. We are going to miss you all tremendously. Once more request, do keep us in loop by keeping our email addresses so that we still receive what is happening in Baswar Samiti, because we would really like to know what is happening. And if not physically, mentally we'll always be there with you all. It is a small journey that we are taking. We will come back, because you can't be away from your family. We will definitely come back.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಏನಂತ ಬಂದರೆ, ಸುನೀತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಾಳೆ, ಆದರೂ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಸವನ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ, that every Basava Jayanti we all meet each other, every children participate in the program. All the memories I'll be carrying along with me, and I really touched, humble, knowing you all, and I'm really thankful to you all for what you have given it to me today. And I will not forget, we are coming back. This is the extended family, and we will be coming back.
It is my honor to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this evening. On behalf of Basava Samiti Melbourne chapter, we would like to thank Anisha Kore and Rohit Toplar for their master role. Thanks to all who have helped to decorate the hall, including the committee members. Special thanks to Ashutosh Dangi for collecting registration amount and the donation. We express our gratefulness to Chetna Patil and Ashutosh Dangi for taking initiation in regarding to the cultural events, for preparing Suhani Patil, Tanvi Patil and Sinchna. Very, very much thanks for these guys. And also special thanks to Amruta Nandi, Sri Umesh Sadasivaya, Srimati Jaya Biradar, Sri Prakash Toplar and Srimati Sunita Bankar and committee members for their beautiful song. Our sincere thanks to Sri Mali Patil, Sri Nagaraj Dangi, Srimati Sunita Kore, Sri Nagaprasanna, Sri Madhav Prasad and Sri Prashant Rale for their valuable speech. Or indirectly and made this Basava Jayanti and made this evening a great success. And also I would like to share one news. And today is our beloved Sharane Akkamadevi's birthday. So we all wish happy Jaya Akkamadevi. Thanks, Sharana.
I request Srimati Sunita Bankar to lead us with the Mangala. We also request everyone to join in the singing of the Mangala. The song is available behind the copy of the agenda.
Nirguna Rupane Basavan